Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are going to whip up a super easy home-style stir-fried mushroom dish. I can't wait to show you how tender and flavorful these mushrooms turn out. It's the kind of dish that's perfect with a bowl of rice. First, take the oyster mushrooms I bought and tear them into small pieces. Give them a quick rinse in water and let them soak for a bit. While they're soaking, chop some garlic stems. Mince some garlic, slice some green onions, and cut a few small chili peppers. That's all the prep we need. Super simple. Now let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil and add a teaspoon of salt. Blanch the mushrooms until the water boils again. Then drain them. Heat some oil in the wok. Toss in the chopped chili and green onions and stir fry until fragrant. Add the mushrooms and stir them over high heat for a while to evaporate any extra moisture. This step is key, otherwise the mushrooms won't absorb the flavors properly. Next, add the minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 grams of oyster sauce, a teaspoon each of salt, MSG, and sugar. Stir everything over high heat until it's well combined. Finally, toss in the garlic stems. Give it one last quick stir, and drizzle a tablespoon of cooking oil before taking it out. Wow, this is a total rice killer. Honestly, it tastes way better than takeout from a Chinese restaurant, and it's super affordable. Let me try a bite. These mushrooms are tender and packed with flavor, so simple to make. And if you love Chinese-style stir-fries, you've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.